Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video of 2019, and I just want to apologise for the lack of videos over the past, months, because for those of you that follow me on social media will know that my whole work thing has been insanely busy, ridiculously busy with clients. But I booked some time off in January. I was meant to be going away on holiday, but what with loads of personal stuff happening, I haven't actually been able to get away. But it means that you get to see my face on YouTube and what I got for Christmas, which is what this video is all about, because I know that so many of you have been nosy, they want to know. So here we go, let's get started. I'm going to start with what my clients bought me for Christmas, and as always, totally and utterly overwhelmed with everything, but I just need to stress that this is by no means showing off whatsoever at all. It is just showing my followers what I got, so if people want to buy it for themselves, or it's great other present ideas for other people, and just to show my appreciation for everybody, clients and friends that support me over Christmas. So to begin with, my clients. So my client Rachel got me this, which I opened and I was a bit like, what on earth is it? So it's this leather case, and then inside it, it's like a champagne holder. So it's like a picnic thing that you can take, and it's got a bottle of champagne in it. And then there's also an opener, a cooler, and then these are glasses that are wrapped up inside, which I'm not going to undo. So yeah, that was the first present. So that was from Rachel. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. Need to get that out in spring, summer. Then, as always, you guys will know I'm a little partial to a Rhubarb Gin. Slingsby is my favourite brand. Let me open it up and I'll show you the bottle. It's beautiful. So this was from my client Emma, and I did get quite a lot of gin. Some of it might have been drank, but this one, because I think it's still in its box, when I finally get it open, you'll see it's produced in Harrogate. It's really lovely. It's absolutely gorgeous with Fever Tree Mediterranean tonic, just so you know. So thank you, Emma. Next up, Lorraine bought me my favourite body lotion, which is Angel. Now, this was a perfume I used to wear donkeys years ago, but no boyfriend ever liked it. My dad hated it. I don't think my mum was that keen. But then I love the body lotion, so I just wear this by itself, and it's that strong that you do still get the scent, but it's just a little bit more subtle, I suppose, than wearing the perfume. This is the body lotion. They do a body, this is the body cream. They do a body lotion, but I absolutely love it. And I just put this on more sort of for nights out, if I'm going on a date. Moving on. And then next up, Charlotte bought me this amazing book, which I've started reading, called Self-Care for the Real World. And I can't recommend it enough. From what I've seen so far, it's really, really good. She bought it me, she did like some yoga retreat, and she's now all like mind, body and soul, which is what I'm really, really trying to get into and devoting more time to. And this book's absolutely brilliant, so I really recommend this. And then my client Vanessa got me amazing present, a voucher for afternoon tea for 2. Just a little thanks for all your help and reigniting my love of fashion. I thought you and Mummy Lacey both deserve a treat in the new year. I hope 2019 starts better for you both. Love, Ness. So that's lovely. So I need to book in Stapleton Park for that. So thank you so much, Ness. Then I got some chocolates from Liz, which are no longer here. Charbonnel and Walker, they were beautiful. I got some macaroons from Hayley and Adam. Again, no longer here, and now on my hips and my thighs and my bum. I got some vouchers from Fab Clinics, which is a lovely salon in Loughborough that I've been doing a bit of work with, and they sent me some vouchers for Christmas, which was really kind. And then Louis, who works for Louis Vuitton, who is my little angel in Harrods, and so if clients message me saying, can you get me this? So if it's gift concierge, I just message him and say, darling, can you help sort me out? And he's amazing. And he gave me some gifts for Christmas, which was so sweet. So yeah, I've not unwrapped these yet, so you can see them with me. So the first one is this little box here. And inside here are a load of perfumes. So I absolutely love the Rose Devant and the Attrape. I'm not even saying if I'm saying that right. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but the scents are incredible. So they've got little perfumes in. And then this is just amazing. So before Christmas, I popped into Harrods. I think I had to pick some bits up for clients, some last minute presents, and he gave me this, which is just beautiful. So there's a little card inside, a Louis Vuitton Christmas card. Saying, "Dear Cleo, just a quick message to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. I can't wait to see all the success 2019 is going to bring. With love from Louis." So lovely. Louis that works for Louis Vuitton. And then in this is just, I was like, what is it? And it is an amazing gift, which is something I'm going to treasure forever. But it's a Christmas decoration that is of, and I can open it, the Louis Vuitton tag. How beautiful is that? So it's actually a Christmas decoration to hang on your tree, but it's like such a collectible piece, a beautiful item. So Louis, thank you so much. Gorgeous, gorgeous gifts. Thank you, darling. So that was clients and kind of work colleagues, which amazing presents, just gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I'm going to move on to friends. And again, spoiled as always, really, really am. We'll begin with Susie B. Now Susie B does my nails. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that she's a character. And literally all the presents were designed like for kids basically, which is I am just a big kid. And she bought me some little goodies, and then my other present was a set of nails. I can't read you this because it's really rude, but basically that was from Susie, so thank you everybody. And we all had dinner just before Christmas, and my friend Lauren got me some Skinny Dip, just peachy bubble soak, bubble trouble bath soak. That's a bit of a word to say. So yeah, that was from Lauren. Thank you, Lauren. And Jess got me a gorgeous little Santa sack, which had, did it have some chocolates in it? And some socks. So that was from Jess. Thank you very much. Then my friend Hannah got me some more socks, some cashmere bed socks, which I love. I always wear cashmere bed socks. In fact, I've got them on now, which I'm not going to show you because they're pink. And you're not meant to see, that's part of me for filming. But yeah, cashmere bed socks I love, so they're gorgeous. Thank you, Hannah. Katie got me this, which is just beautiful. So it's a 2019 My Best Year Yet, and with it there was a card that says, "Cleo, I know that you will already have a planner full of work, events, etc. But I think that it's super important that this 2019 year planner is your most important one. Why? Because this planner is to be filled with all things for Cleo, no one else, just Cleo. You spend so much time and energy helping others, it's time for you. A year to focus on you. 2019 is Cleo's year. A year to focus on you and what you want. Let's make your dreams a reality in 2019. So set goals for each month for you. I've put a few in to get you started. Write down your dreams in here and let's achieve them. And again, not to be work related. This is all about you. It's about time life became more about you. There's a lot of you in this. So love you always and forever, Katie." So such a kind, thoughtful gift. So yeah, just designating more time to myself and not work. So thank you very much, Katie. And then my friend Claire. Now Claire is a bit useless when it comes to presents in terms of the delivery time of them. So she came to see me just before Christmas with my birthday present, which was in April. You get the gist. And this first present from her sums everything up. So she's late for absolutely everything. You have to tell her to arrive at least an hour before she actually needs to be there. And she bought me this makeup bag saying, "Always remember, it's better to arrive late than ugly." Very, very true. But I've got like a bit of anxiety about being late. I have to be super early for everything. Claire, on the other hand, super laid back. So this is perfect. Thank you, Claire. She also bought me a gin glass. If you have to ask if it's too early to drink, you're an amateur and we can't be friends. So yeah, we both like a bit of gin. She bought me a bottle of champagne, and she also bought me, I don't know if I can really show this because it's a little bit rude. It's a colouring book, a naughty colouring book. Don't know if you can read that on here. I'm not going to say the word, but I might end up, giving it to my mother because I'm sure. Anyway, Moving on swiftly. Next up, my friends Paul and Alex bought me, oh my goodness, wait till you see this. So they bought me a bottle of Rhubarb Gin because basically for a year, their house has been my second home. And I would call in on a Friday evening if I'd finished work. And I basically drank their house dry of this stuff. So they just replace it every single few weeks for Cleo. So Rhubarb Gin, gorgeous. And then they also bought me this, which is just one of my favourite bags. Amazing. So wait till you see this. It weighs a ton, and I was a bit like, that's heavier than a candle, but it's chunkier than a diffuser. So I was thinking, what on earth is it? And then got out the box. I was like, oh, the box is big and it's square. Oh God. I posted this on my Instagram. They're good. So look at that candle. How beautiful is that? And the smell, oh my goodness, white moss and snowdrops. This was a limited edition for Christmas with the gold lid, and then it's got this like opaque 3-wick candle. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful, just incredible. It'll probably never be burned because how can you burn something so beautiful? So thank you so much, Paul and Alex. A very, very generous gift, to say the least. So thank you, darlings. And then my friends Adam and Drew, who are like my brothers along with Paul and Alex. Again, spoilt me as they always do, the boys in my life. And they got me, you've probably seen I've had one of these before because I absolutely love this scent. Jo Malone, I love candles, And this one is the Sweet Almond and Macaroon, which is just to die for. It is basically, well, exactly what it says on the candle. It smells incredible. So thank you very much for that, boys. They also bought me this really cute hot water bottle which actually my friend Katie handmade. She knits these out of mohair. It's stunning. And then they got me my favourite hand cream, Molten Brown, which is the rhubarb and rose. So this just goes in my handbag. I absolutely love it. And they got me, I can't believe actually these are still not open. This is unheard of. What are we now? Mid-Jan. And Cleo was resistant chocolate. Some Hotel Chocolat, the ginger poodles. They also got me some Lush products, which I've already used. So boys, thank you. Then my friend Sophie gave me this, which is a photo frame with the two of us in it, with a little caption, friends forever, boys, whatever. Couldn't agree more. My friend Lara bought me some chocolates, which obviously are no longer here, and the Marc Jacobs lipstick, which I have to show you the packaging. It's called Diva. But I just need to show you this packaging. It's nude, obviously. Look, how amazing is that? And the colour is sublime. So it's just my colour. And honestly, I can't get over how gorgeous that packaging is. How stunning is that? Just amazing. So thank you, my darling. And then my friend Kim, who lives in Spain, got me the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in, I think it's Pillow Talk, which is the one I wear as well. My friend Nicole spoiled me rotten. So I put this, I've realised now my friends look at my Instagram and realise what I'm posting and what I'm liking and buy me stuff off it, so I'm not complaining. Next year it's Cartier, I love bangles by the way. So this year Nicole got me this, which I've wanted for so long. It's the Saint Laurent, the little card holder, because I've actually got some of my cards in it. How gorgeous is that? And I've used it every day since Christmas Day. Because I've been using my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, which is a much smaller bag, my wallet was just too big for it, so I've decanted it into my cards in here, and I'm like the queen, I never carry cash. So yeah, that's been perfect for me. She also bought me, wait for this, ooh la la. Oh! So gonna be strutting my stuff around the pool in this. There is a label on it that says, you basically can't get it wet. It's for poolside posing only, which is hilarious. But yeah, pretty little thing, bright pink, Barbie-esque, glitter, sparkle. You will see me coming in this with my boobs, so it'll be fine. Thank you, Nicole. And then the other thing she got me a lovely little card, which I've kept, because it said, to my beautiful friend, I wish you lots of love, faithful friendships, health and happiness for 2019. My life is a brighter place with you in it. God, I'm so lucky. However, she then ruined it by buying me this. JML Finishing Touch Flawless. Removes hair instantly and pain-free. Now I know I have got down on my face, but literally, I'm obviously a bit hairy, but it's to remove facial hair. I'm like, what are you trying to say, Nicole? I get my tash waxed every 3 weeks. But anyway, so I've not yet used this. I'm quite intrigued of how to use it. So I think it's like for, yeah, your face basically. So, be looking forward to trying that. My friend Emma that works for me, she bought me this little notebook, which is absolutely gorgeous. Millie, who is sat behind the camera right now, bought me this. She's smiling away. Wait till you see this. So, Hurly Burly. It's absolutely stunningly gorgeous. It's a tiny little unicorn necklace, and I love it because she knows I'm obsessed with unicorns. And then on the back, there's my name engraved on a little tag. It's so beautiful. Thank you, my dog. And then Victoria bought me some Neal's Yard orange facial oil, which I've been using in an evening, going to bed, really good for dry skin. And then my friend Nicola bought me this gorgeous little thing, which actually I haven't had off since the day I opened it. Valentino. It's beautiful. Bracelet. How gorgeous is that? It's a bracelet and poudre. Absolutely love it. So I've been wearing that loads. So I was absolutely, totally and utterly spoilt by all my gorgeous friends who are basically the brothers and sisters in my life. And I couldn't do, I wouldn't be here without them. I honestly to God wouldn't. They're incredible. Last but not least, I say family, basically, obviously I've only really got my mum. And this year you will know that Mummy Lacey, bless her, had a fall just before Christmas and broke her foot quite badly. And ended up being in hospital for, oh gosh, 6-7 weeks. So she couldn't even get me a Christmas card, never mind about a present. So basically, I'm just going to show you the bag. Okay, there's a story behind this. A few weeks before Christmas, I was shopping in London and I went into Chanel and looked at the purses because there's something that I've wanted for so long that I had them on my bucket list. Obviously, I've got a bag, which I use loads, but I can't get my head around paying the kind of prices for a purse. And then I thought, you know what, I'm going to get one next year, 2019. I'm going to treat myself to a Chanel purse. And then with everything that happened with Mum, and I just thought, she's had such a crappy time. She's in hospital on Christmas Day. And when I showed her the pictures of her purse, she was like, Cleo, I've always wanted one as well. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy her a purse for Christmas. So I went into Harrods the Sunday before Christmas with my friend Nicole. We've been to London for the weekend. And I said to Nicole, I'm going to buy my mum a purse for Christmas, a Chanel purse. So I'll show you the one I got. Such beautiful packaging. The one that I was originally going to get, there was like 3 sizes. There was like the mummy, the daddy and the baby. But then years ago, I can remember seeing this flip purse, which I loved. And I got told they'd stopped producing them, but I spoke to the person in Harrods and they were super helpful because it's got loads of compartments for your cards. It's got obviously the zip compartment for your change. You can put your notes in there, and it's the caviar leather, so it's better. It's hard wearing. It's an absolute classic investment, and I thought, you know what, she's going to absolutely love it. So on Christmas Day, I presented her to it, and I don't really like it, Cleo. Oh, okay then. Right, fine. So I thought, you know what, I'll keep it. Mum, do you want to give me some money towards it for my Christmas present? Yeah, that'll do. So, Merry Christmas to Mum. Or from Mum, I should say now. So this was my Christmas present that I originally bought for my mother, who actually decided she didn't like the design. So instead, I thought, you know what, I'll just keep it. So thanks, Mum. Merry Christmas to me. So yeah, I thought you might enjoy that story. And for those of you thinking, oh, that's a little bit ungrateful, if you see Mummy Lacey on social media, you'll totally get where I'm coming from. Anyway, that is what I got for Christmas 2018. Incredible presents, as always, from people that know me inside out and know exactly what I love. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching.